Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain the complete pricing structure of WhatsApp Business API in the simplest way possible. A lot of people are confused about how much it actually costs to use WhatsApp Business API. So in this video, I have break down everything very clearly. When you're using WhatsApp Business API, there are two different kinds of charges. One is the subscription fee and other is the conversation charge, which means per message charge. Let me give you the exact numbers right now. For the Lemon AI subscription, we have two plans, Enhanced and Premium. Enhanced plan costs Rs 2827 for 3 months and Rs 8482 for 12 months. Premium plan costs you Rs 4715 for 3 months and 14,146 for 12 months. The only difference is that Premium includes unlimited chatbot, Enhanced doesn't. That's your subscription fees to access our platform. Now, the per message charges. Meta charges 11 paisa for utility and 78 paisa for marketing messages. Now, if you don't know the difference between utility and marketing messages, I have made a detailed video explaining this. The link is given in the description box titled as What is WhatsApp Business API? These charges go directly to Meta. On top of Meta charges, Lemon AI adds a markup of 4 paisa plus GST per message. So if Meta charges 78 paisa for a marketing message, you have to pay a total of 83 paisa including GST. 78 paisa to Meta and around 5 paisa to Lemon AI as a markup. For this 4 paisa plus GST markup, you do a prepaid wallet recharge on our platform, which can be as low as Rs 1000 plus GST. Now, I have told that from January 1st, 2026, the marketing messages charges might increase to 86 paisa. But I don't want to talk about it right now because it's Meta pricing and it's completely in their hands and they can change it anytime. So to know about the latest pricing in India or any other country, you can check the description box. The link that will take you to the Meta's official pricing page. So in summary, you pay a subscription fee once based on your plan. You pay Meta per message through your credit card and you pay us 4 paisa plus GST markup per message through your prepaid wallet. Now let's talk in detail. Lemon AI subscription pricing. We have two subscription plans, Enhanced plan and Premium plan. Each plan comes with two validity options. You can subscribe for either 3 months or for 12 months. The only difference between Enhanced and Premium is the chatbot feature. In the Enhanced plan, you do not get the chatbot feature. In the Premium plan, you get unlimited chatbot functionality. So if you want to set up automated conversation, responses and intelligent chatbots that can handle customers' queries efficiently or automatically, you need the Premium plan. But if you don't need chatbots and you're fine managing conversations manually or with simple auto replies, the Enhanced plan is perfect for you. For the Enhanced plan, the 3-month subscription costs Rs 2827 and the 12-month subscription costs 8482. For the Premium plan, the 3-month subscription costs you 4715 and the 12-month subscription costs you 14,146. And remember, we offer a 15 days free trial, so you can test the entire platform and see how much value WhatsApp Business API brings to your business before committing to a subscription. If you find this pricing explanation helpful, please like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do subscribe for more helpful content on WhatsApp Business API and digital marketing. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.